on the banks of the holy waters, offers are made for one's ancestors, maintaining the thread which unites past and present. The lake becomes a place of prayer, a symbol of the infinite, a mystic receptacle. It is for this reason that into these waters are poured the ashes of the deceased, giving to the living the hope of being reunited with their loved ones in the cosmic matrix.
And this is the Hindu sense of religion, a recognition of a metaphysical source of nature seen as a multiformed expression of a divine unity. And man is pulled between his desire of affirming his individuality and the call towards the transpersonal identity of his spirit. He finds in the ritual offerings a way of recognizing his belonging to a divine nature. For the Hindu, water serves as a door, providing the necessary purification before having access to the transcendental facet of nature. And it is for this reason that the wells for ablutions are situated in front of the temple, to purify one before entering the edifice which represents the cosmic corpus of God.
When we look back to traditional societies, we realize that they have preserved something which we miss today. We admire the joyfulness of the traditional feast, and we wonder why we are not able to reproduce it in our modern communities. We have lost the capacity to recognize the sacredness of nature. And so we need to learn from those communities which still preserve at the core of their culture the concept of the transcendence of life. In fact, only in communities where there still exists a bond of devotion towards the universality of nature can the environment acquire its full value. It's true that modern culture is losing on its way something important. The speed of economic growth is making man lose that which from the beginning of history he considered as his greatest asset: religion, the capacity to pray, the possibility of linking his soul with the soul of nature.